Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. Now, a couple weeks back, Chuck, over at Rides by Chuck, formerly known as That Car Guy, posed a question to the community and wanted to know your favorite kit that you've built. This one's mine. I absolutely love this kit. I don't know what it is, but I love this kit. This kit and the AMT 1968 Roadrunner. These were a couple of the first kits that I got that I truly remember as a teenager building these up. This is one of my only survivors. This obviously is the Pro Street version. This car is freaking awesome. I love it. Absolutely love it. This kit was a blast to build. So much fun. And I do have an example. And as you can see, still wrapped up. Still sealed. So, cool. This is going to stay like this. That's going to be a one-day build. I mean, as I get to it, one day. Not as in, it's going to take me one day to build it. But, this is my survivor. Now this is primer gray, and I fully intended on keeping it primer gray. That was my intention the whole time. Turn this so you guys can see the side. The wheels have a dull coat sprayed on them, and black wash before there was actual black wash. I'm not really sure how I did that. I probably thinned down some tester's paint. The turn signals are painted tester's orange. The car is spray painted. It's all spray paint, and it's just primer. There is bare metal foil around the windows. Let me take off the hood. I'll show you guys the chassis. Looks like I ran brake lines, maybe? I don't know. But I did something. Well, looks like I also opened the door. Wow. I didn't know I did that. I opened the door. And it still kind of closes. Let's see if we can get a good look here at the interior. Dashboard. Boy, this this car I did not do a good job. You can see the door panel there. That brown in the middle by the armrest. That is the color this kit was molded in. So obviously not a good job. The other color is a tester's paint, and you can see I didn't even paint that part. Oh well. There's a back end. Let's take a look at the engine. This is the dual overhead cam Hemi. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if you guys can see that. I cut the valve cover in half, so you can actually see the cams down there, and those are painted. Well, that's kind of neat. I didn't know I did that either. Painted the wires. I added some wire up here that really looks terrible. Ran some wires to the carburetors. Not even really sure about that, but those go to the fuel pump over there. There you can see the fan. Did a black wash in the grill. Now this kit, this car, it really turned out good. It turned out okay. I mean, for like a 14, 15, 16-year-old, something like that. Not too bad. I do remember I had to cut the back of the hood because the engine didn't fit. I couldn't get everything to close properly. I don't know. Anyway, it's my kit. A couple of decals back there. Not bad. Not bad. I really really enjoyed this kit. So again, this kit, I'd say it's one of my survivors. It's one of my favorite kits that I've built. And again, no spoiler, I didn't like it. I didn't put it back there. So you can see it out here. But I don't want to put it on mine. So that's that. That was my favorite kit. Anyway, it'd be really cool to see some videos of your favorite kits, your favorite builds. I hope to build this again one day and do a little bit better job. I think I have the skills and the knowledge to build a better product. So one day, this will be back on my bench. Anyway, hey, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And I hope to see you on the next one.